Alright guys, I welcome you all to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you two different perfect ways in which you can copy text on any images. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to make use of this image as a case study now. As you can see now, this image is an email. The first step is for you to long press on the image. You can see now it shows that we have two different text recognitions there, the split mode in which each of the words on the text was splitted. The second one is full text mode. Click on full text mode and click on copy. Now go on your notepad and paste the images in which you have copied them. Now you can edit it. This is the first method in which you can use to copy images on. You can use to copy text on any image. That's the first method. The second method is go back to the same image. You see at the left hand corner here, you see something here. Just click on it will take you to Google to copy the image. Now to copy the portion of the image in which you want to copy, just click on this stop and highlight the portion in which you want to copy. Just click on copy, go back to your notepad and paste the image there. Let me delete this one. As you can see now, I've copied the image. I've copied the text on the image. This is the second method in which you can adopt to copy any text on any image. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on subscribe button. If you are a returning viewer, share this tutorial to others so that they can know how to copy text on any image. I want to see you guys how you are trying to copy text. I'll be expecting your comments at the comment section. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.